Comparing two city-states. Athens and Sparta were both Greek cities, and they were only about 150 miles apart. Yet they were as different as they could be. Why? Part of the answer is geography. Athens is in central Greece, only 4 miles from the Aegean Sea. Its location encouraged Athenians to look outwards towards the world beyond the city. Athenians liked to travel. They were eager to spread their own ideas and to learn from others. They encouraged artists from other parts of Greece to come and share their knowledge of art and architecture. Athens developed strong relationships with other city-states, and it grew large and powerful through trade. A great fleet made it the leading naval power in Greece. In contrast, Sparta was more isolated. It was located on a plain between the mountains and the sea in the part of Greece known as the Peloponnesus. Spartans were suspicious of outsiders and their ideas. They grew much of what they needed in the fertile soil around Sparta. What they couldn't grow, they often took from their neighbors through the power of their armies. While Athenians boasted of their art and culture, Spartans valued strength and simplicity. They taught their sons and daughters to fight, and they produced soldiers rather than artists and thinkers. For most of their histories, the two city-states were bitter rivals. As you will see, their differences were reflected in everyday part of life.